Hi guys, welcome back. So as you can see, we are looking at another case. This time it is for the S20 Ultra. It is the Spigen Tough Armour case. So let's just get straight into this. So it just comes in a plastic wrap. Bit of paperwork. Don't need any of that, put that to the side. So you've got some padding on the inside for the drop protection. You've got your cutout for the camera. This bit here is the little to do the little kickstand on the back. We'll show you in a minute. You've got all your cutouts on the bottom. Nothing on the left side. You've got textured power button, and then you've got your volume up and down. You've also got Tough Armour branding there. And on the back you've got Spigen branding, and you've also got a little kickstand. So this kickstand is great for when you want to watch movies, stuff like that, and you don't want to hold your phone. So let's just place the phone into the case. Nice and easy to snap on. Good bit of razivity on the camera, so you're alright for placing it on the table. Good bit of razivity also on the top and the bottom. The sides, as you know, it is a tiny bit curved on the Samsung devices, but I think you should be fine. Overall, it's a great feeling case in the hand. Also with the textured power button, you know that you're pressing the power button and not the volume rockers, with them being so close together. But anyway, if you've got this case, let me know if there's any other Spigen cases. I think this one cost me £12.99 here in the UK, so not a bad price, definitely not a bad price. If there's any other cases that you want me to look at, comment down below and I'll see if I can get them. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.